Making this blueberry mix smoothie has been a game changer in my weight loss journey, and just hang with me if you're looking for an alternative for a very soothing and easy to go high protein, high fiber meal and healthy. Just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and also comment and share your thoughts. The first ingredients I will be starting in this particular recipe is banana. Banana is very healthy and is good to enhance your mood. And then I'll add some blueberries. Blueberries are very good for your heart health and also managing diabetes. If you're someone who is diabetic, this will be very good for you. Then I'll be measuring some black currants as well. Black currants are very good for your immunity and also to reduce inflammation, and they are anti-cancer, meaning they help to reduce the incidence of cancer if you take it regularly. It doesn't mean if you take it once, it automatically reduces cancer. Then I'll be adding some cranberries. Cranberries are very healthy in terms of preventing cardiovascular diseases, urinary tract infections, good for digestion, and also effective in your immunity, in boosting your immunity. So I'll be adding 1 spoon of that. Each of the berries, I'm just adding a spoon. And then I'll be adding some pomegranates. Pomegranates are very, very good and healthy because they contain antioxidant property, good for immunity and also for heart health and proper digestion. So I'll be adding one of that spoon as well into the mixture. And I love pomegranate. I love it. And basically it is very healthy to eat. I mean, very good. So I set that aside, and then I'll be adding some blackberries. Blackberries are very healthy in vitamin K and also good in vitamin C, and contain antioxidant properties and good in fiber. I'll be taking a spoon of that, and I just added some 2 extra for the spicing, you know what I mean. Then I'll be adding some strawberries. I love strawberries as well, and since their sizes are very, very good, I just decided to add 5 of those into the mixture. Strawberries are also very effective in immunity and also reducing the incidence of diabetes. Then I'll be using some pineapple flakes, and I decided to use 3 of those, and this was the effective sweetener to just mix. The berries itself are a little bit sweet and a little bit sour, but adding this is just to spice up and take the sweetness to another level. So I added 3 of those, even though it was hard to split into pieces, and my blender also did a great job in picking that and grinding it to smooth. I mean, it did a very good job. Then I'll be adding some good quantity or good amount of almond milk, the one with no added sugar. And if you're someone who is lactose free, then you should be thinking of buying almond milk or soy milk. Use that as an alternative because it is milk free, and it will be very effective for anyone who is lactose free. So I highly recommend that for anyone who has such problems. So everything into my blender, I set it on, put it into my mixer, and voila, mix everything until it is well blended. This blender is set for 50 seconds to blend for smoothie, so I put that on 50 seconds, and voila, your healthy smoothie is ready And this is one of the things that has made me lose a lot of weight within a couple of months. I am not on a strict diet. I'm not doing anything extra, but I have been trying to adjust my lifestyle, doing some exercises here and there when I'm able to, and then try as much as possible to check what I eat and try to eat healthy. So that's what has been helping me to have lost 18 kilograms in just a few months. And I will be making a video by the end of this December to really show you my journey so far. So my mixture is ready, and this is it, looking so delicious. I mean, it is very inviting, right? Very inviting. This color is just out of this world, and the sweetness was perfect. Not too sweet and not sour, just normal, just perfect for me. I shared this into 2 portions because it was a lot of it, so I decided to share this into 2 portions. Try this and tell me later. Cheers. This is the energy you get from getting an Energizer. I mean, if I felt like I got some Energizer after this smoothie. I mean, so refreshing. And you can see my skin is glowing. Bye, till we meet again.